Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to fix the error 0xc0000142 that appears when launching games or programs using three different methods. This issue usually happens because of corrupted or missing DLL files, or sometimes due to Windows update errors. You'll often see this error with games like PES 2018, PES 2020, or even GTA, and also with programs like Microsoft Office. When you try to open them, you might get this message: the application was unable to start correctly, OXC0000142. Before we start, make sure to like this video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Method 1. Change system locale. This is the simplest and most common fix. Open the control panel. If your icons aren't visible, click View By and choose Large Icons. Then find an open region. Go to the Administrative tab, click Change System Locale, and select your country or region. Click OK. Restart your computer, and then try launching the game or program again. Most likely, the problem will be fixed. Method 2. Using command prompt. If the problem still persists, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R. Then type CMD and hit Enter. Once the command prompt opens, copy and paste the command I'll leave for you in the video description, then press Enter. After that, restart your PC. Restarting is very important after each step. Method 3. Using the registry editor. If it still doesn't work, open Run again, type regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. Then follow this path: H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, NT, current version. Find Load App Init DLLs, double-click it, change its value to 0, click OK, and restart your PC. Now try running your game or program again. The error should be completely gone. These three methods are among the best and most effective fixes for the OXC0000142 error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll reply to everyone as soon as possible.